Hello, if you want to change keyboard theme on Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, then you can go to the settings, then scroll down and go to general management. Now choose Samsung keyboard settings, and if you scroll down you should be able to find theme, and you have some options that allow you to adjust the theme. Of course, there aren't many options, therefore if you wish to customize your keyboard a little bit more, then in that case you can use a different keyboard. So we can download it from the Play Store. Let's go to the Play Store, let's search and type Gboard. This is a pretty similar keyboard, but this one is made by Google. And once you install it, you should be able to open the settings and you can customize that keyboard. So let's wait for the keyboard to be installed. There we go. Now let's open it. And we need to enable the keyboard in the settings, so let's follow the instructions. Let's press the switcher in order to turn on the Gboard. Let's go back. Let's select the input method, switch to Gboard, and then we can press done. Alright, so immediately we should be in the settings. And now we can go to theme. And as you can see, there are lots of different themes that we can use. And you can also create your own theme by pressing this plus button. You can use, for instance, your photo. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. We can adjust the size. We can move it around. Go next. You can adjust the brightness of the wallpaper in the background. Press done. And we also can enable and disable key borders. If you press apply, then you will start using your custom theme. Now let's quickly open the keyboard to show you how it looks like. And there we go. We have a new keyboard with our custom theme. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.